Hi mummies, I'm Dr. Wee Meng, a dietitian. Congratulations as you embark on your next stage of life as a mother. I'm going to share some practical nutrition tips to boost your postnatal recovery, nourish your body, and support your baby's growth. Your body experiences a lot of stress during childbirth, and what you eat can make a big difference to your recovery journey. Having a healthy, balanced diet helps improve your energy levels, facilitates breast milk production for your baby, and improves your mental well-being. A nutritious postpartum diet should follow similar principles to my healthy plate. It includes a quarter plate of protein, like lean meat or fish or tofu, a quarter plate of whole grain carbohydrates, like oats, whole grain bread, and half a plate of vegetables and a fruit. High protein and iron-rich foods like lean meats, fish and leafy greens are fantastic for rebuilding your strength and replenishing your body after blood loss during delivery. Whole grains like oats and whole grain bread are healthy options. They provide you the energy you need and are loaded with essential nutrients like folic acid, iron, and fiber. Dairy foods like low-fat milk, cheese, and yogurt are equally important as they offer protein as well as calcium and vitamin D, which are crucial for both yours and baby's bone health. If you prefer plant-based options, dark green vegetables, tofu, legumes, and calcium-fortified plant-based milks can help ensure you get enough iron, calcium, and protein. While breastfeeding is important to nourish yourself, but you don't need to eat significantly more than usual to support milk production. Adding around 300 to 500 extra calories a day through healthy snacks or small meals is usually enough. For example, whole grain sandwiches, low-fat yogurt, or fresh fruit and nuts. Focus on the quality, not quantity, to support both you and your baby's health. If you feel unsure about your diet, consult a dietitian to provide some individualized advice. Did you know that breast milk is approximately 88% water? This high water content helps to keep baby hydrated. You should aim to drink at least 1.5 to 2 liters of water each day, as it can help to support milk supply. Water is the best option, but if you prefer traditional herbal drinks like red date longan tea, you can enjoy them occasionally, but watch out for the sugar content. You might have heard about using spices and herbs to help with recovery after childbirth. For example, ginger, garlic, and lemongrass can help with reducing inflammation and boosting immunity. Herbs and spices can also increase the variety of flavors in your breast milk. This early flavor exposure can help make babies more accepting of different tastes when they start eating solid food. But remember, moderation is key, and always check with your healthcare provider before adding any new herbs and spices to your diet. Now, let us explore some childbirth remedies. Some believe that new mothers should consume tonic wine to warm their bodies and expel the wind and dampness. But that's a myth. Breastfeeding mothers should avoid alcohol altogether, as it will be passed on to your baby through breast milk. Some of you might ask, what about using alcohol like rice wine in cooking? Is that okay? Even though some believe all alcohol evaporates during cooking, studies have shown that traces of alcohol can linger, depending on the cooking method and duration. If you consume alcohol-based dishes, you might want to wait at least 2 to 3 hours after consumption before breastfeeding, or you can plan ahead to express and store milk before the meal. Another common myth is that cooling foods like fresh fruits and vegetables should be avoided because they are thought to interfere with recovery. However, these foods are packed with essential vitamins and minerals that help with wound healing and stitches from delivery. They also provide essential fiber and antioxidants for a strong immune system. Taking care of yourself is a big part of taking care of your baby. Don't hesitate to seek guidance if you need it. For more tips and ideas, check out Parent Hub. You've got this!